Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday evening, and here we go with day number 5 of the heat wave. Certainly not as hot or as oppressive today compared to yesterday. We briefly hit 90, but by definition, that is another consecutive 90-degree day, so that extends the heat wave now to 5 days. Though the humidity was a lot lower, so this heat today was a little more bearable. And we have similar temperatures coming up for your Thursday. It'll be more humid than today, and upper 80s to briefly near 90, but not much higher than that. We take a look at our threat tracker, which will elevate it a little bit for Thursday. I'm not overly concerned about extreme heat. We're thinking upper 80s to near 90. But that risk of a few isolated thunderstorms during the afternoon, a few may be strong. So Thursday is a shower day. It's not a rain day. I think most of the time it's actually dry, but a few brief interruptions during the afternoon with a few passing thunderstorms. Have some showers right now off to our west, but they'll be fizzling out. But there's more moisture that we're tracking across upstate New York. Got a weather disturbance through the Great Lakes that's headed east and arriving here during the afternoon with a couple of showers. In the meantime, draw your attention to what the Hurricane Center is watching the Caribbean, potential tropical storm development here, and more than likely will become the next named tropical storm. Here's the latest stats from the Hurricane Center. Winds of 45 and the anticipated track taking as a tropical storm near Florida by the weekend. And, whether this tries to ride up the East Coast remains to be seen. But this is certainly a system that we'll want to keep an eye on, really from Florida to New England next week. I mean, obviously many days to be looking at this, but in the short term, the concern over the next several days would be the Southeast U.S. and Florida. We'll keep you updated, obviously. Closer to home for this evening, and it's fairly quiet. Temperatures dropping to the upper 60s to lower 70s. Any low clouds and fog early in the morning should burn off to a kind of a cloud-sun mixture, warm and humid, not record-breaking, upper 80s to briefly near 90, much like what we had today, only we'll have higher humidity. And then notice during the afternoon, they're random. They kind of pop up, not every spot getting one, but an isolated strong thunderstorm in a few locations through mid-afternoon. And then by early evening Thursday, most of the activity should be winding down by 11 o'clock Thursday night. Temperatures are in the 70s. I don't see any rain or thunder Thursday morning, 83 by 11 a.m. And then during the afternoon, just a brief random passing shower or thunderstorm. Again, not all locations seeing one. Temperatures in the upper 80s to briefly near 90 degrees. So humid day tomorrow. Still very warm to hot, but nothing extreme or record-breaking. And we'll keep an eye to the sky during the afternoon. A few communities may get that strong, brief passing thunderstorm. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.